Welcome to the Health, Balance, and Wellness channel, your oasis of peace. Today, 1 in 7 adults lives with chronic kidney disease, often unaware of it until the silent damage becomes apparent. At that point, the only option may be dialysis, a demanding and painful treatment. But there is a different path: acting early, preventing rather than treating, and choosing a lifestyle that will preserve kidney health for many years. While we sleep, our kidneys work tirelessly. They filter approximately 180 liters of blood, eliminate toxins, regulate mineral salt levels, and repair any cellular damage. It's precisely during our night's rest that much of their regenerative work takes place. The question is, can we give them extra help? The answer is yes, and we can do it simply, naturally, and effectively. The drinks you'll find on this list have a common goal: to support kidney function during the night, reduce inflammation, and promote detoxification, thus decreasing the risk of requiring dialysis. No expensive supplements or complicated procedures, just natural ingredients that are easy to find and prepare. Warm water with lemon. Unlike the cold, sparkling version, warm lemon water acts as a gentle nighttime cleanser. The warmth relaxes the digestive system, while the citric acid prevents the formation of kidney stones and helps expel toxins accumulated during the day. Lemon juice is rich in citrate, which binds with calcium and prevents the mineral from forming harmful crystals. It also provides vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant, and potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. How to prepare: squeeze half a fresh lemon into a cup, 240 milliliters, of hot, but not boiling, water. You can sweeten with a little honey if needed. Drink about an hour before bed. Use a straw or rinse your mouth afterward to protect your tooth enamel. Turmeric milk. Once a simple evening comfort, warm milk can now become a powerful ally against kidney inflammation thanks to turmeric. Curcumin, its active ingredient, blocks cytokines responsible for kidney cell damage and degeneration. Studies have shown that in patients with chronic kidney disease, curcumin reduces protein loss in the urine and also protects the kidneys from damage caused by diabetes and toxic drugs. How to prepare: warm a cup of cow's or plant-based milk, add a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, which increases absorption, and cinnamon. Sweeten lightly with honey. Drink about an hour before bed. Dandelion root herbal tea. Dandelion, often considered a weed, is actually a valuable cleansing plant. Its root contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that help the kidneys eliminate toxins, acting as a gentle diuretic that doesn't cause dehydration. How to prepare it: steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried root in boiling water for about 10 minutes. Drink 1 to 2 hours before bedtime, so you can benefit from the nighttime cleanse without interrupting your sleep to go to the bathroom. Chamomile with pear. Chamomile, known for its calming properties, also contains flavonoids and phenolic acids that reduce oxidative stress and improve the kidney's filtering capacity. Pear, in addition to its natural sweetening effect, provides hydration and fiber, which helps slow the progression of any kidney damage. How to prepare it: place half a sliced pear and a chamomile tea bag in a cup, pour in hot, not boiling, water, and let steep for 5 minutes. Drink about an hour before bed. Ginger tea or milk. Ginger is rich in gingerol, showgales, and zingerone, compounds that fight inflammation and improve circulation, bringing more oxygen to the kidneys at night. It has been observed to lower blood sugar, regulate blood pressure, and improve blood fat levels, all important factors for kidney health. How to prepare it: herbal tea version. Infuse 1 to 2 teaspoons of grated fresh ginger in hot water for 10 minutes, adding lemon and honey. Latte version: heat a cup of milk with half a teaspoon of fresh ginger, cinnamon, and honey. Drink 1 hour before bed. Cucumber juice. Light, hydrating, and alkalizing, cucumber acts as a natural diuretic, promoting the elimination of toxins without overloading the kidneys. It contains antioxidants such as quercetin and beta-carotene, which are useful for cell protection. How to prepare it: blend 1 to 2 cucumbers with a little water and strain, or soak them sliced in water for a few hours. Drink 240 milliliters about 2 hours before bed. Hibiscus and clove tea. Hibiscus, rich in vitamin C and anthocyanins, helps reduce blood pressure and cholesterol, two key factors in preventing kidney failure. Cloves, with their eugenol, offer anti-inflammatory properties and a captivating aroma. How to prepare it: boil a teaspoon of hibiscus petals and 2 cloves in a cup of water for 5 minutes. You can add cinnamon or mint. Drink an hour before bed. Lavender and rose tea. A relaxing infusion that combines lavender, known for its calming effects and promoting deep sleep, with rose petals, rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. This blend reduces stress, one of the main enemies of kidney health. How to prepare it: place a teaspoon of dried lavender buds and a teaspoon of rose petals in a cup, pour in hot, not boiling, water, and let steep for 5 minutes. Drink about an hour before bed. Conclusion: transforming your evening routine into a time of active kidney protection is simple. Just choose 1 or more of these drinks and incorporate them consistently. Whether it's the cleansing effect of lemon water, the anti-inflammatory power of turmeric milk, or the soothing sweetness of pear chamomile, every sip is a step towards stronger kidneys and a dialysis-free future. The secret is consistency. Try 1 of these drinks for a week, observe the benefits, and add another if you like. With small evening gestures, you can make a big difference in your long-term health. Peaceful dreams, protected kidneys, a combination that is worth more than any medicine. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not replace medical advice. If you have any questions, please contact your doctor. If you like our videos, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any upcoming content. See you in the next video.